This video is an overview of the call center in Ostendo, one of a number of functions which make up Ostendo's CRM module. The call center is ideal for recording and emailing actions for customer inquiries, quotes, support tickets, supplier issues and improvement suggestions. The ticket function is one of a number available in Ostendo CRM. From an Ostendo workflow, you can go straight to the call center. The first screen is a list of all calls with tracking codes and the details you choose to see. Click Add, select the type of call. In this case, we're going to select a customer. You can then pick a particular contact within your system. In this case, we'll go for Jason Henderson. The details against the contact are automatically pulled through into the ticket center. You can enter a brief description, classification, subclassification if you need it. In this case, it's a quote, tracking code. In this case, it's a quote as well. So you've got plenty of options in terms of how you wish to set up your analysis there. Additional information stored in the user-defined fields. So we've got source. This particular quote may have come from a direct mail out. We're going to get the quote done, but we want to make sure that we follow up within 7 days to check that they've got the quote. We can enter in, as well as the description, any additional notes down here. To then assign this to a staff member, we can click in the action area, bring up the particular staff member, and then we can email that particular action to Keith. He goes out in the field, completes the action, and then comes back and he says, okay, I've completed the call. He can say, rightio, I've now completed my site measure for all the quotation requirements, and at this point in time, close the call. No further action required. And then you'll see on the list here, here's the Keith Rogers quote. It's still got a status of quotation required in this particular case. From the list screen, you can easily track whereabouts your tickets are and whether or not there's any required dates and further information that may be required. Some examples of the use of call tickets include logging service calls and assigning technicians, tracking response and completion times. You'll see in here that all the service response detail is tracked. This information can also come through from mobile devices used by technicians in the field. Logging prospects in terms of pipeline management can also be incorporated within the ticketing system of Ostendo CRM. You can also move this detail straight to a job order, a sales order, preparation of a quote, track service levels in terms of the priorities for the calls, and obviously you can also load it against a supplier for monitoring faults and product returns. And that's a brief overview of the call center in Ostendo. A lot more depth can be added depending on your requirements, so contact us, have a look at our website, call us to find out further information.